Master the art of sentence outlines. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode in our series on public speaking and presentations. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of sentence outlines. Specifically, we'll focus on how to divide main points into subpoints. This is a key skill that will help you to organize your thoughts and ideas effectively, enhancing your ability to deliver powerful and persuasive presentations. When crafting a presentation, it's not enough to just have main points. You also need to break down these main points into subpoints. Subpoints are smaller, more specific aspects of the main points. They offer more detailed information or different perspectives on the main point. By dividing your main points into subpoints, you create a structure that's easy to follow, which aids in understanding your presentation. It also helps you stay on topic and ensures that you cover all the necessary details. Now, how can you identify the subpoints within a main point? It's actually easier than you might think. First, ask yourself, what are the key aspects or details that support or explain this main point? The answers to this question will become your subpoints. Keep in mind, these subpoints should always directly relate back to the main point, providing more depth and detail. A sentence outline organizes your points and subpoints into complete sentences. This can be particularly useful when you're preparing a presentation, as it helps you to develop your ideas fully. In a sentence outline, each main point is a full sentence that represents a key part of your argument or presentation. Then, each main point is further broken down into subpoints, which are also written as full sentences. These subpoints provide detailed support or explanation for the main point. Here's an example. Main point, sentence that summarizes the main point. Subpoint, sentence that gives detail or support for the main point. Subpoint, another sentence that gives further detail or support. And so on. Remember, the number of subpoints can vary depending on how complex your main point is. Well, there you have it. You now know how to effectively divide main points into subpoints within a sentence outline. This skill is going to be extremely useful in enhancing your presentations. I hope you found this video helpful. In our next lesson, we'll continue to delve deeper into mastering the art of public speaking. Until then, keep practicing and stay confident. See you next time.